Welcome, today I'm reviewing Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here tap to volume section, and just to mute ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side this blue dot. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just first be sure that this switcher we use volume keys for media is turned off, and now just let's press down volume button, and now we can see that we just successfully mute ringtone volume on our Samsung Galaxy device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.